हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन स्टोक थ्योरम। स्टोक थ्योरम गिव्स रिलेशन बिटवीन लाइन इंटीग्रल टू सरफेस इंटीग्रल। लाइन इंटीग्रल टू line integral to surface integral. If you remember, the Green's theorem also gives the relation between line integral to surface integral. But the difference between Green's theorem and Stokes theorem is Green's theorem is applicable only for 2D vector and Stokes theorem is applicable for 2D as well as the 3D vector. So let us see the statement of the Stokes theorem. Let S be a open surface bounded by closed curve C and F is the one 3D vector F1i plus F2j plus F3k, where F1, F2, F3 are function of xyz. So F be a continuously differential vector point function. Then the line integral F into dr equal to surface integral curl of F dot n ds, where n is the unit normal outward direction of the surface S. So this is the line integral, this is the surface integral. So this is the statement of Stokes theorem. Let us try to solve one problem based on Stokes theorem. So the question is, evaluate x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus y plus z dz along the curve C, where C is the boundary of triangle. C is the boundary of triangle with vertices. C is the triangle with vertices 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 6. So this is the triangle we have. So C is the boundary of this triangle. So if you want to draw this triangle, so let me try here. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis. Fine. So here we have 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, and here we have 0, 3, 0, and we have 0, 0, 6. So this is triangle. This is A, B, C. So if you want to apply the Stokes theorem, so we need here integral x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus y plus z dz equal to integral f into dr along the curve C, and this equal to surface integral and curl of f dot n into ds. So with this we can see where f here f is x plus y I plus 2x minus zj plus y plus zk. This is your f. Okay. So we need curl of f and outward normal direction of this surface. So let us find out curl of f first. Curl of f means I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z, and x plus y, 2x minus z, and y plus z. So if you solve this, so we get I into 0 plus j into 0 plus k into 2 minus 1 1. So we get, sorry, let me find out the curl once again. I, and we get the 1 2 we get here, sorry, 2, and j into 0 plus k into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So we get 2i plus k. So this is a curl of f2i plus k. Now we need the capital N, unit normal direction of this surface. So first we find out the equation of the surface passing through these 3 point A, B, C. So we can have equation of the plane passing through A, B, C of the triangle. So we have, let me write here, so we have x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 6 equal to 1. So if you simplify, so we get 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 6. This is the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points A, B, C, which is given. So now we find the capital N. So normal vector. So for normal vector, we'll go for the grade of phi. Let us say this is the phi surface. So grade of phi equal to, we need capital N. So we have to find out the normal vector first. So that is your grade of phi. So that is your I del by del x plus j, del by del y plus k, del by del z, 3x plus 2y plus z minus 6. So we get the 3i plus 2j plus k. This is your grade of phi. So capital N equal to grade of phi divided by modulus of grade of phi. So we have 3i plus 2j plus k divided by 14. So this is your capital N. Now we got that curl of f and grade N. So we can apply the Stokes theorem immediately. So using Stokes theorem, so that line integral CF into dr equal to curl of f into n ds, surface integral. So curl of f we have find out, that is the 2i plus k dot capital that is capital N. So it is 3i plus 2j plus k by root 14 ds. So we get 1 upon root 14 and double integral. So 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3 we get. So 2 into 3 6 plus 1 ds. So we'll have the 7 by root 14 integral ds. So this is nothing but, this into nothing but your area of the triangle, So the area of triangle 7 by root 14, and if you find out area of this triangle, so we get 3 by root 14. So root 14 cancel, so 21 is the answer. So how to find the area of triangle in the 3 dimension? I will give one video for finding area of triangle in the, here is not possible, so I'll give one separate video for this area of triangle in 3 dimension. Okay, so here I only answer I have wrote 3 by root 14. So you can refer my next video for area of triangle. So 7 by root 14 and 3 into root 14 to cancel. So 3 into 7 into 3, 21. 21 is the answer. So the value of line integral will be 21. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.